Here this afternoon to show you our model 312C pocket digital thermometer. I want to show you how to field calibrate this unit. Any of the temperature testers that you see in our catalog with a C in the part number, that designates that it's a calibratable or it has the field calibration option on it. This particular unit, you simply get a glass of ice water. You can turn the thermometer on. I'm going to dip the probe into the ice water solution. I'm going to swish it around there. And I'm going to wait for the LCD, the temperature on it to stabilize, probably somewhere really close to 32 degrees. There's a nice feature on these units in the auto cal mode. If it doesn't sense 40 degrees Fahrenheit or less, it won't calibrate your unit, so you know you can't screw these things up. If it doesn't hold the calibration, it'll just flash error at you after you've done the cal, and it'll revert back to the last calibration that was done. So this is stabilizing about 32.6 degrees. I'm going to press and hold the data hold button approximately 8 seconds. It'll get into cal mode, and I'll see CAL flashing on the LCD screen. As soon as I have that, which is there, then I know that it's going into automatic calibration. As soon as it flashes me a temperature reading, 32 degrees Fahrenheit, then I know I've successfully calibrated the unit back to plus or minus 1 degree Fahrenheit. So a really cool feature, something that's not necessarily seen on some of our competitors' units out there.